Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Bose soundbar. To perform a hard reset on a Bose soundbar, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to ensure the soundbar is powered off. You may need to unplug it from the power source or turn it off using the power button on the soundbar or remote control. After that, you have to unplug the power cord from the back of the soundbar. Then you have to wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to allow any residual power to dissipate. After that, you have to plug the power cord back into the soundbar. Then you have to start performing the hard reset on your Bose soundbar. In the first method, you have to press and hold the power button and the skip forward button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, you have to release the button when you see a message on the display panel indicated that the soundbar is resetting. Hopefully, this video will help you to hard reset your Bose soundbar. Thanks for watching.